Hi, it's Mark here from the Outback Company, and I'd like to talk to you today about one of our more recently released products called Outback Uric Care. This is a blend of natural extracts like most of the products in our range, and it has anti-inflammatory properties and it reduces uric acid. So if you're a gout sufferer, this product is going to be your new best friend. Inside the box, you'll find one bottle of Uric Care, a little instruction leaflet, which gives you all the information you need to know about the product, and a little measuring spoon. So the dose rate for Uric Care is just 30 drops per day, and the standard bottle has a tiny little dropper in the neck, so you can dispense that product out. But if you're a totally impatient person like me, and you don't have the time to drop out 30 drops, we've provided this little spoon for you, and it's a measuring spoon. You just take one of those. So here's how you take Uric Care. You just fill that spoon, drop it into a little glass of water, just a small glass, stir it up, simple like that, and swallow it down. Simple as that. Uric Care goes to work from day one, starting to reduce inflammation, and more importantly, reducing uric acid. So if you suffer from gout, which is an extremely painful condition, get onto Uric Care, take it once a day, only need one dose per day, just like I demonstrated there, and in a few days you'll notice those symptoms of gout don't come back anymore. Check out the product on our website, outbackpainrelief.com. Thanks for listening. See you again.